Hello everybody, my name is shlok laxmikant malphedwar. In today's video, we will learn Python in one video. Yes, we will learn Python in one video. So let's get started. Okay, so what can we do with Python? Why only Python now? Because we can do machine learning, data science, deep learning, building websites, web scraping, uh, hacking and more. So I will explain what is it. Okay, first, what is machine learning? So, what is machine learning? Maths calculations that I will not tell because I have only not learned it. Uh, then data science, deep learning. What is the deep learning? The advance of machine learning. Now, what is machine learning? Maths calculations. Building websites means you can write the backend with it. Web scraping. What is web scraping? Means taking HTML content into Python. Hack making GUIs. Making GUIs means this is you can make a window like this, and then you can add some buttons on it. Like this, you can make one OS also add your buttons and finish work. You can make a OS also with it. Hacking and more. After hacking, we can focus on artificial intelligence and more. We can make applications on it also. Applications like we want to make Android applications. We have to learn Java and Kotlin. If we want to make applications on iOS, then you want to learn Swift. But in one languages, four or five are there. Windows, it supports Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, and its distribution. Yes, with only Python we can do all this. Now next. Why only Python? We can define some functions in Java, C++, and make it like the Python. But why only Python? Because you want to define some functions in C++, your time will be less. If you want to make artificial intelligence means AI. So in C, and you have or 2 days. You have 2 days. So you can use Python for it. It is easy and its syntax will be very clear. Unlike the C++, gives some error. Sometimes Java also gives some error. Uh, you will say it is slow. Yes, it is slow because of it is interpreted language. but we can do many things with Python, so we are focusing on that. So next, for only hello world, we want to now write print hello world. If you have worked on C++, you know that we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines in C++, and in Python we need only one line of code. Really, we need one line of code. Really, so Python is very easy language. Now we will write our first line of code. For that we will use VS Code. Now what is VS Code? First we will install Python, then we will install VS Code. Now VS Code is source code editor. This means source code editor, and you will get excited because it is my Microsoft. Yes, it is by Microsoft and supports C, C++, Java, Python, Bash, and many languages it supports. So we will write our first line of code. Okay, so we will write our first line of code now. Oh, but how? Now first we will go to Google Chrome and search python.org. Okay, now hover on downloads, and then you will find Python 3.11 button. Click on it. In my PC it is already installed, so I am not installing it. Then you will install VS Code. Download that like that only. Visual Studio. Don't confuse in Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, because Visual Studio Code is different and Visual Studio is different. Click on it, means hit on it, and then your work will be finished. Now we will minimize and open it. What is it called? VS Code. And to open it in file, so we are opening it in file. So I will make it in F now. So this any files are there, I will delete these files now. Okay, open with code now. Finish. Okay, uh, hit on this, and click on this. Now, why only VS Code? You can use any ID for it, but I am using VS Code because you can close this get started. We'll close it because we can use extensions in it. There are extensions. Okay. There are extensions like Angular and more. I have told you we can use C++ also. See now, this is C++, and it supports binary also. Then downside, git bash, and there is winter coming is a theme I have used. And first, what you will do, write here Python. No extension found. Okay. Write neat spelling of Python. Okay. Hit on this and install it. Okay, my one is installing. Then install it. Install it or install this one. So cancel. Okay, we have this, so I will install it. I will use this and hit on this new file and write 1tut.py. Okay, so then write print hello world. Okay, so our first program is run. Now, how it run? Okay, how it run? How it works? First, print is the function. When we hover on the print, it gives all the information. Print is the function. You can see here, it is a function. Print needs value, you object or str. Means value. This is str, means string. Strings short form is str. So okay, so this is double quotes. When we write this in double quotes, it becomes string. We write like this only, we will get an error. We will definitely get an error because it has not value. Now we will take it in single quotes or double quotes. I have written in single quotes, then hello world will print. Now if we take here a value like 2, it will print. Yes, it will definitely print. Yes, 2. Now 2 plus 3 is also a value. So run it. Its answer will be 5. Now if we want to write value inside it, so write F and then double quotes. Finish. Now you can write the value like 2 plus 3 is equal to. You can write like this. But when we will add curly parenthesis and close it, you can write the value of that. 2 plus 3. Now run it. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Like this will come. It is called F string. Then only we can write like this. Or if we do not give F string, then see, it will convert into the string, means character, and it will print like this only. But if we will add F string, then this value will become real in reality, and then it will print the solution of it. Now we will know the variables. There are 4 types of main variables. Like first is string. String means now only I have told what is string. Shlok. It is the string. Now Python. It is the string. Yes, it is the string. Great. It is the string. Now we will thought means we want to also give string inside the double quotes or single quotes. You will thought like that I will tell now. See, it takes value or string. Value or string means it is the variable now. Now it inside the variable, it may be string, boolean or anything. Now the variable has a value. Now write string means if we write like this, means it is in the string. Means this code will be go in this print statement. Okay, so Python is great. Came here, and then okay, now okay, I will tell now integer. Teacher. Okay, integer is 23. Now it is also having a value. So print integer. Integer. Now it has a value. So 23. So you will thinking to do one experiment, string plus string. Okay, I am also ready. The variable name is string plus now I will write string. Okay, so Python is great. Now after that Python is great, it will be coming, but okay, if we give one space in our string, then what will happen? Then hit the run button. Okay, now some space came inside it. See. Okay, now I will write type. See, what is the type? It will tell us the type of the variable. Like its type will be string. What is the type of string? Its type will be, 1 minute, where is it? Okay. Write type in print statement. Print statement. Then hit on run. Then you will see class str. Str is the means string. Str means the strings. Means string is the variable which value is str in str form. Okay, then we will see the type of integer. Okay, its type is int, means integer. Now I will tell what is the float. Float is like the integer only, but it is in decimal. Okay, now we will write the float. Okay, we want to write here float 2, or you can give any name to the variable like float 2 mk or anything. Okay, it is now float. If we write now their last is boolean. Now what is boolean? It is simple, true or false. You can give comma in between it, and we will write boolean. Means our variable name is boolean, so okay, it is tuple because we have passed multiple values. If we passed one value, then it will become boolean. See, class boolean. Okay, so how will we convert now string integer? Now we will do one activity that we want to convert integer into string, float into string. Okay, but first I will define two, no, four strings. A is equal to number, P is equal to, no, we will give 3.7, C is equal to true. Now you know all it. That the type of it all will be string. Yes, it is true also. But if we want to convert it into integer, boolean, or any float, then what we will do? You might be have this question. So we can do like this using all it. Means if we write, okay, if we will write int and write a inside it, okay, first we will write like this: a is equal to int a. Means this a will be go inside it and it will convert into int, means integer. Then means the type of a will be integer and both will be string. Now we will convert the float value. Now for that there is float. Okay, in float we will write b. Now for boolean we will write bool and write c and run it. So there is class float, class bool, and class everyone. So you can see all this. Now if we want to now if we want we have converted in this. Now we want to convert a into the string. Yes, STRA. You can use underscore in the string. STRA means we will convert string into a. So let's do it. And type str means string and a. Okay. Now we'll print the type. Okay, type